I've heard you say that you think Parkinson's disease starts in the gut, as inflammation in the gut.
Yeah, that's a great example of how my view of these diseases is changing. There's really good epidemiology data now.
What's epidemiology data?
Epidemiology data is data in large populations. So you study the cause of disease by studying populations. And what these studies have shown is that if you follow susceptible people and find out who at the end ended up with Parkinson's disease, you will see that about 90% of people who end up with Parkinson's disease had some gut problems 10 years before. And you might say, okay, well, might not be related, might be two separate things, but they've actually found the same protein changes in the brains in people with Parkinson's disease, this particular protein that gets misfolded. It's a bit equivalent to Alzheimer's, but it's a separate type of protein, alpha-synuclein, and it gets folded and you get this characteristic thing you can see post-mortem called a Lewy body. But it's the protein folding that's important. And if you look in the gut, not only do these people have constipation and bloating and problems 10 years before, a really sluggish intestine, but they have the same proteins that are misfolded that you can find in their gut. And they think that it takes 10 years for these proteins to go slowly up the vagus nerve into the brain, and then it causes the problem there. So this is the latest theory behind Parkinson's disease, that it actually starts in the gut. And it's related to inflammation in the gut. So these proteins start folding when the gut is not happy, which means that you could potentially prevent Parkinson's disease by a gut-friendly diet.